Oh, now it's going.
I'll show you.
I got it. It says record now.
That's when the lights are not on over here.
I'm 9 seconds into it.
Okay.
Addison.
Oh, don't. Let me look at you. Here it is. I don't want that anymore.
He's kind of a slob, Grandma. You gotta
That's
be careful.
okay. We don't care. We've had lots of slots. Is that good? Is that good? Good water. Oh. He just spit out the pizza in my water. Hey, you are so bad.
What are you doing?
Hold on, Grandma. You cannot share food with this guy. He's really a disaster.
That's okay. Grandma don't care one little bit. We just rinse out the glass and get some more water.